Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube video. So in today's video, we will learn about PCA, which stands for, which stands for Principal Component Analysis. Okay, like always, let's understand why do we need PCA or what is the central idea of PCA. We can call it PCA. Suppose we have a data set. So let me pick the color. Suppose we have a data set with n observations. So observations like this. N observations, or you can call it n rows. And p dimensions. P dimensions or p features. So features or dimensions. And we want to visualize this data set as a part of exploratory data analysis. Basically, we want to understand about the data set. We could do this by selecting two features, any two features for this n observations, and then plotting a scatter plot. So using this way we can see the relationship. Or we could do this in two. Basically, we could do this in two out of p ways. So basically, if we have p features, if I select two features, then I can do it in p factorial by 2 factorial p minus 2 factorial, which basically result in 45 ways. Even if we have p equal to 10, then 45 ways. Now imagine if p is large, like 100, most likely none of the scatter plot will be informative. That is, the information is not conveyed. If we somehow able to obtain 2D representation of the data that captures most of the information, then we can plot the observation in this low dimensional space. If we can find 2D representation which contains most of the information, then we will be able to explain this data set. Here comes PCA for rescue. Now, the central idea of PCA is that if we have a data set with large dimensions, large correlated dimensions, then PCA allows us to summarize this data set with a new set of variables that collectively explain most of the variability in the data set. Now, this new set of variables which are uncorrelated, which are ordered, so that first few retain most of the information of the dataset is called principal component. Now that's why the name principal component analysis. So in summary, breaking down large dimensional dataset into smaller dimensions using principal components, it's what PCA does. I hope you will have a brief overview or brief understanding of PCA. Now, should be clear now. Thanks for watching.